After building a strong foundation, it's time to choose your path: front-end, back-end, or full-stack development. Front-end focuses on the design and user experience, while back-end handles databases and servers. Some choose to master both and become full-stack developers. Stay tuned to this channel for more insights on these paths and the best free resources to continue your learning journey. Are you just watching tutorials like movies? Passive learning doesn't work in programming. You need to actively code along with tutorials, experiment, and break things. Only then will you truly understand how the code works. Finally, don't overlook the importance of algorithms. They form the backbone of problem solving in programming. While writing code is essential, understanding the logic behind it, how data flows and operations occur, makes all the difference in becoming a skilled developer. Avoid these 3 common mistakes and you'll fast-track your coding journey. Focus on one language, practice coding hands-on, and don't skip algorithms. Stay dedicated, and you'll see progress faster than you expect.